Hey, this is Professor Triplet, and I want to show how I use the snipping tool to get a screenshot of the things that I'm working on. This will be required for when you hand in your assignment so we can see that you did post your work on time. So in Windows, they have a snipping tool, uh, and this is kind of what it looks like when it comes up. And all you have to do is hit New, and then it grays the screen out, but you get this little crosshair, and then if I just left click and drag, I can basically snip, whatever's within that marquee. And you can save it, of course. You can do a new one if you didn't like what you got. You could just do a copy and copy it to a clipboard if you need to. I don't ever use the send, but sometimes I do use the pen. So like you can, use a pen to like circle something, or you can erase that, or you could just highlight something like so. So it's pretty helpful. And when you save it, save as, you could save it as a JPEG. That's fine for putting it up online. So anyway, that's how you use the snipping tool. And thanks for watching.